Hello students, good morning. Welcome to e-learning. This is our last lecture, that is lecture 16. We are going to complete our six measures of reducing poverty in today's lecture. So we are left only with 3 points here. So let's see what are the 3 points. First is the housing schemes. We have already completed the big point, that is employment scheme, employment program. Now housing scheme is left, then after social security scheme, and lastly Jan Dhan Yojana. So these are the 3 measures how to reduce poverty which have been left, and we are going to cover it today in this lecture. So let's start with this. First is housing scheme. So housing scheme. When you talk about housing scheme is necessary for what? Yes, because we find that many people who are living in the rural areas, many of the laborers are there, they are not having, slum peoples are there, they are not having their own houses. So for that particular thing, we can say for them this particular housing scheme has been there. Yes, yes, this is the same way. So in India, still a majority of poor people are dwell in semi-stable or temporary house. Yes, we find that people are मेकिंग लाइक पीपल लाइक पुअर पीपल्स आर मेकिंग स्लम्स झुपड़पट्टीज वगैरह बनाते हैं और वो लोग टेम्परेरी हाउस में रहते हैं एंड इट गोज ऑन. सो टू इराडिकेट दिस और टू ओवरकम दिस पर्टिकुलर स्लम थिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, this housing scheme has been prepared. So with the objective to provide proper dwelling means proper house, proper place where the poor people can live. In the year 1985-1986, Indira Awas Yojana was being started. Yes, so in 1985-1986 Indira Awas Yojana was started, and for families below poverty line. It is not for the APL, it is for the BPL, that is below poverty line, and scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Also it includes ST and SC class of people where they are not having their own houses. Now moreover, in 2013-14 Rajiv Gandhi Yojana was implemented. Yes, to improve the housing of those who reside in huts. Yes, same way like objective of Indira Awas Yojana in 1985, in 2013-14 also Rajiv Gandhi Yojana was being implemented, but here these are only given for those who are living in the slum areas. Okay, so same way, but Indira Awas Yojana was given for whom? The scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and the BPL persons which are there, they are having temporary houses. Now again in urban area also we find that it is not only in rural areas, but you find in urban areas also you find that many people are poor. Like Mumbai ki baat kare to Dharavi is a big slum areas which covers a kilometer of 2, it is a radius, circumference radius of 2 kilometer. तो पूरा 2 किलोमीटर डायमीटर के अंदर स्लम एरियाज भरा पड़ा है, एक big city, metro city like Mumbai. So you find that that particular thing is also there. It's not only in Mumbai, but it's in many places. You find that poor people come for job in the metro cities and they try to reside in this particular temporary huts, and they try to create the slum. So in urban areas also poor people resides in slum where they are deprived or to so basic facility ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, टॉयलेट्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. मतलब उन लोगों के पास ये बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ ज़्यादा नहीं होती, लेकिन वहाँ पे जहाँ पे होती है वहाँ पे वो लोग अपना झुपड़पट्टी बांध देते हैं और वो अपने तरह से लेते हैं. सो स्टिल दिस पर्टिकुलर बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ आर लैकिंग इन सम प्लेसेस, बट स्टिल दे ट्राई टू गो विद मेकिंग द एरिया, बिकॉज जहाँ अवेलेबल जगह मिले वहाँ पे वो लोग स्लम बांध देते हैं. नाउ ड्यू टू दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दिस पर्टिकुलर बिकम अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम, एंड इस वजह से ये सब योजनास हमको बनानी पड़ी. गवर्नमेंट हैज ट्राइड एवरी टाइम इन 1980s also, in 2000 after 2010 also. Again due to fast increasing problem of dwelling in urban areas, from 25th June 2015, okay, after 2014 Rajiv Gandhi Yojana के बाद 25th June 2015 for urban poor peoples Prime Minister Awas Yojana was also started. मतलब पहले राजीव गांधी आवास योजना था, अभी उसके बाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर आवास योजना विच वॉज बीइंग स्टार्टेड बाय ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, दैट इज नरेंद्र मोदी जी. So they started with the housing scheme are important for dwelling purposes, but simultaneously you find that they also created employment. इन लोग का मेन पर्पस है टू प्रोवाइड 20 million houses to the poor people by March 31st to 2020. So the main objective of this Prime Minister Awas Yojana is nothing to give 20 million houses. Okay, 20 million is nothing. We can say 2 crores people are given a good dwelling houses so that they can stay, they can have a proper permanent house, and they can live a good life. So that was the objective of Prime Minister Awas Yojana. By it should be completed by, we find that March 31st 2022. Clear? So this is what a housing scheme is all about. Now when comes to the next one, that is social security scheme. What does the social security scheme comes? So here a strategy is to reduce, yes, what is our strategy? It is to reduce the poverty in India. Now what are the social security scheme? Now we find that social security is like giving insurance to us, the health insurance, the, we can say, after death insurance, which is not given for the poor people. Those who are middle class or those who are high class, they are having their insurance, they are making their term insurance policy, medical, everything, so that they can have a good particular thing. So here for workers which are there in, or even the pensions are given to the good peoples who are working with a good job, with a government job. But here this particular pension scheme, Atal pension scheme, was been started on 9th May 2015, which gives a monthly pension which is being paid to the people who are enrolled in this particular scheme after 60 years. Means after attaining the age of 60 years, you will get a fixed guaranteed amount. Now in 2015, when Prime Minister Modi ji came up, so he has started this again, Atal pension scheme, which gives every person a chance to take part in it, as well as they get a pension by this enrolling it after the attaining the age of 60 years. So under this Prime Minister's security scheme, you find that people with the age of 18 to 70 years can enroll. Accident insurance is given for 2 lakh rupees with open a minimum premium. उन लोग का प्रीमियम कितना है? 12 rupees. Yes. So if you want to go with accident premium, तो आपको सिर्फ 12 rupees per year पे करना है, annual 12 rupees, okay, and you get an insurance for 2 lakh rupees. So which is a good thing, which we can say a normal or a poor people can afford this particular price. Same way Jeevan Jyoti scheme was also started with rupees 2 lakh with life insurance policy at rupees 330 yearly premium. Matlab for your life insurance, you find that Jeevan Jyoti scheme is been made by the Prime Minister, where you find that only 330 rupees was been asked yearly. Per year 330 rupees will be only asked as a premium, and you get a insurance for rupees 2 lakh. So this is a big thing which Prime Minister had made, and which have look out for the rural and the poor people, not for the urban or we can say rural, but all the people, all the class of people, where those who are coming under we can say lower income class. Then to safeguard the farmers, again Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana was being started. Means insurance are given to the farmers who want to take care about their we can say crops. Because so many factors which are affecting the crops, like we can say natural calamities like floods are there, okay, droughts are there. So for that we find that farmers are in losses. So to overcome this particular situation, if farmers will not get in losses, because majority people are farmers in our country, so they started this Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. The word Bima Yojana means it is nothing but the insurance which are given to the farmers for their crops. So whenever they are growing crops, again if they are having insurance, what the farmer will feel free. He will be little bit tense. He will not be tense. He will be more growing more production, as well as you find that crop rotation will go. What is crop rotation? It is the multiple crops growing together, or one after another crop is being harvested. So this is what is happening. So he can again go with taking some new technology, modern agriculture technology or system for growing crops. So all these particular things can help us. So this is what you find that to safeguard the farmer from crop failure, Prime Minister has started Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay, this is what the social security is. So it covers pension, it covers we can say accident insurance, it covers life insurance, as well as for the farmers it is we can say insurance from crop. That is nothing but Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. Now again we comes to the last topic, which is a big event, that is Jan Dhan Yojana. Now we find that the main root of poverty is nothing but we can say this particular poverty means poor peoples are there. So financial is the main problem for the poor people. So to hit the root of poverty, an ambitious scheme of Pradhan Mantri Dhan Jan Yojana was been introduced. Yes, कि भाई फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम है, मेन चीज़न क्या है पॉवर्टी के लिए? फाइनेंशियल. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कीम. सो दिस स्कीम बिगेन्स ऑन 28 August 2014 विद द वेरी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द स्कीम. 1.5 crores ऑफ अकाउंट्स आर मेड. मीन्स यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने बैंक अकाउंट्स ओपन किए थे. येस, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर द टाइम ऑफ again 2014, that is the election won by BJP and Prime Minister Modi ji was there. So you find that there was a scheme where you try to open a big zero balance accounts you can open. Bank of Baroda was been there. So till 8 January, from 28 August 2015 till 8 January, the number of increased from 1.5 crore on that day, very first day, to 12.58 crores were investment. What with rupees 10,590 करोड़ वॉज जनरेटेड. मतलब इन लोग ने ये सब स्कीम ओपन की बैंक अकाउंट्स, एंड बैंक अकाउंट्स के अंदर टोटल मनी कितना आया 10,590 करोड़ विच वॉज बीन जनरेटेड फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम. Again, there are some key features which we are going to learn for this particular Dhan Jan Yojana. So here, first, it was the objective of banking facility, because ज़्यादातर लोग peoples के पास उसका banking system नहीं है. They are not able to save their money. They are not able to keep their money safe. So with this objective, we find that banking facility has been increased, and Modi ji started this particular scheme. And there is a reduction of regional inequality. भाई यहाँ पे इनइक्वालिटी को कम करने के लिए ये बैंकिंग फैसिलिटी चालू की है, ये इनका की पॉइंट है. सेकंड, यू फाइंड दैट दिस योजना वाज स्टार्टेड द मेन पर्पस फॉर सब्सिडीज. यस, मेन थिंग इज व्हाट द पुअर पीपल्स आर गिवन सब्सिडीज एंड कंसेशंस. तो उन लोग को सब्सिडी एंड कंसेशंस कैसे मिलेंगे व्हेन दे आर नॉट हैविंग देयर बैंक अकाउंट्स. सो बिकॉज ज़्यादातर गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, पूरे बैंक अकाउंट में डायरेक्ट डिपॉजिट करती है. सो फॉर दैट दे शुड हैव देयर ओन बैंक अकाउंट. सो फॉर दिस ऑब्जेक्टिव मेन थिंग इज टू गिव सब्सिडीज, कंसेशनल rates, loans, facility, different things, but it can be only given when you are having your own bank account. So this particular scheme was being generated, and it is the main objective is to give subsidies for the poor families, and government will directly deposit the money to their bank account. Then after again you find that is that the bank account is open with a zero balance. The main thing is that zero balance से बैंक ओपन करते थे. 5 महीने अगर आप अपने रखते हो, you find that you can go with overdraft of 5,000. तो पूर फार्मर्स जिसको 5,000 रुपये भी घर में चाहिए होते हैं, वो बाद में ओवरड्राफ्ट कर सकता है. यस, वी नो द ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी विच इज़ ओनली गिवन फ्रॉम द करंट अकाउंट टू द बिजनेसमैन. यस, बट हियर इन दिस स्कीम the prime minister is giving overdraft to the poor farmer also. So this is the particular thing we find. Then again, under this scheme, those who open their account बिफोर 26 जनवरी, मतलब 26 जनवरी के पहले उन लोग ने ओपन किया, हैव बेनिफिटेड विद लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. मतलब दे हैव गिवन एग्जैक्टली और गारंटेड वी कैन से इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी टू देम. मतलब लाइफ इंश्योरेंस उन लोग को दे ही दिया जिसका 26 जनवरी से पहले इन लोग ने ये टाइम पीरियड में, देयर वाज अ शॉर्ट टाइम पीरियड फ्रॉम 28 अगस्त टू 26 जनवरी. So you find that between that, those are open, they have benefited with life insurance policy. Again, these are the 4 key features which are been there. Then after Prime Minister Dhan Jan Yojana is a prominently a scheme for all our financiers. This thing gives us that कि भाई पूर पीपल को कुछ तो फ़ायदा हुआ है कि भाई 5,000 रुपये अगर एक फैमिली विड्रॉ कर सकती है, ऐसा बेनिफिट है. आफ्टर 5 months दे मस्ट बी given good amount of overdraft and can be useful for needful time. Yes, so this is what again life insurance दिया. उसके पहले अटल पेंशन में देखा है हमने, they have given 2 lakh rupees of accident as well as life insurance policy. Yes, so farmers are given again from ये सब. So all these things are done by the government so that they can reduce the poverty by making financially strong the poor people as well as the poor farmers also. So this is what you find that Dhan Jan Yojana was basically more objective increasing the financial situation. Now on the other hand we find that it hits directly on the poverty. Yes, ये पूरा फैक्टर डायरेक्टली poverty पे क्यों हिट करता है, बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम उन लोग का सिक्योर करता है. मेन थिंग इज़ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम आप उसको हटा देंगे तो पॉवर्टी ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाएगा. एज वेल एज दे ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड माइक्रो फाइनेंस एंड बैंकिंग फैसिलिटी. माइक्रो फाइनेंस क्या होता है, वे पूर फार्मर्स को अगर चाहिए कि क्रॉप्स के लिए पैसे चाहिए जो नियरली 25-35,000 के आते हैं, तो वो क्रॉप से ले सकते हैं. देन बैंकिंग फैसिलिटी मतलब थोड़े ट्रांजेक्शन्स, क्रेडिट कार्ड, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड, डिफरेंट थिंग्स विच आर बीन गिवन बाय गवर्नमेंट. सो ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स are there which are given to the poor class people so that they can remove poverty. So this concludes that this is a very must or big key factor what Dhan Jan Yojana is all about, and other factors also help the poor family for social security for different ways so that they can improve the lifestyle of the poor farmer or the poor ruler and the urban peoples. I hope you have been clear with this chapter. Next we are going to go with the 6th chapter, that is unemployment, but before that you need to complete this particular chapter. You have to write the notes, we'll be having soon for checking. If not, you have to send PDF. I will ask you to send a PDF. So you complete this particular thing. You find any doubt anywhere, you just call or message me, okay, before like in the evening or before night, okay. So you can help, I will help you. Same way, if you find any doubt in notes also, you can just call or message me.